Hello everyone. Today we are going to see threads in C Sharp. The threading concept is simple. You need to include this namespace system.threading, and then you can simply create a new thread using new thread. And in this you can define a function that you want to execute, and you can simply start it. Okay, so this is as simple as that. So here goes your thread, whatever you want to do here. So let's say I want to print some message 3 times. So I'll simply iterate on this, and inside this loop I will print a message. I will print my thread ID, and you can get your thread ID by thread dot current thread dot managed thread ID, and you can print the counter. Okay, counter is let's say I, and then you can say thread dot sleep for 1 second. And yeah, that's the definition, or that's the job that I want to do here. Here I can say uh, thread finished here. Okay, thread ID finished, and remove that. And similarly you can have multiple threads. Okay, so this is my second thread. I can print my main thread as well. Main thread ID will say main thread ID started, and this finished main thread is finished here. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We start our main thread, you can print it, and then you start two threads, and then you print this, and maybe you should wait for user inputs, otherwise we'll just simply come out of this program. So let's run it. As you can see, main thread 1 started, main thread ID 1 started again. Okay, let me check that. Thread ID 3 counter 0, 4 counter 0, 4 counter 1, 3 counter 1, 4 counter 2, 3 counter 2, and then both are finished. Okay, now this we should say stopped. Stopped. Okay, so now you understand what's happening here. Uh, so this statement executes, then you create a new thread here, you create a new thread immediately, and then you execute this line and execute this line. Now these two threads have started in running independently. Okay, and when all the execution is done, then it comes here and waits for input, and when you hit enter, you come out of the loop. So that's as simple as that, creation of the threads, and it's quite useful. So let me stop this. Stop.